So for a quick vocal freedom routine, what we're going to do is yawn. It's so important to do this because it opens up and moves and gets things expanding inside your body. And one good, interesting thing about yawning is, I want you to make the sound too. Not only is it opening up these spaces, you can actually you can time how long it takes you to finish, and you can also notice how you would naturally trail off with a yawn, right, and run out of air, and see if you can actually stop yourself before you get to the end like this, and stop strong. It's almost like this is what we want to do with sentences as well, because when we're speaking and we start to trail over that, it could be that we've lost air and energy. So don't lose air and energy. Get to the end, rather than speaking for so long that you run out of air and you don't know quite what you're going to say next, and your confidence goes, and then your articulation goes, and the air is completely gone, and then you just trail off like that. Yeah, so practice yawning and practice cutting it off and even extending the length of the yawn and still keeping it strong to the end. Very important muscle in our articulation is the tongue. So let's just give it a little bit of a workout. We're going to go down and out. And back the other way. Yeah, my TMJ is clicking now.